For the first challenge on the extend method lesson, we're asked if you have two lists and you want to combine them into one longer list, which method would be most appropriate? .merge, .join, .append, .extend. And we're in the extend lesson, we're in the extend method challenge. So hopefully it's pretty clear that .extend is the correct solution here, but we'll talk about why .extend is the correct solution. .merge and .join are not methods that have been introduced yet. They are actually common methods that you'll use as a data scientist, not in base Python, but actually in a module called Pandas, which is for data manipulation. It's like a table data, tabular data, like Excel, but sort of the Python version of that. So we can roll those out, right? We don't even know what those are. Our previous lesson was about .append. Remember, append doesn't combine any lists, right? It just adds one object to the end of an already existing list. So .extend, if you recall from this lesson, right, it takes the contents of one list or one iterable, whatever is passed in as the argument for the parameter, and then puts that into the context of the calling object, right? That list that the .extend was called upon. So that's why it's the .extend method. As you work through the next two challenges, hopefully you'll see exactly why that is a little bit more clearly. But the .extend method is definitely how you would want to combine two lists into one longer list.